Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification.
Hello everyone, this is welcome to Safra Korea's channel, and I'm Homademade speaking. And believe me, my viewers, I like to have my kitchen in the natural way, no frills attached. Okay, today I'm going to prepare egg chops. I have taken 3/4 kilo of potatoes and pre-boiled them to save my time. Okay, and mashed it nicely. Mashed it. I have to put pepper in this. Okay, I'll mix it. And I have pre-boiled eggs, and I'll teach you how to also boil the eggs because they should not split in the water. Okay, 6 eggs I have boiled and slit into 2 parts. How you have to boil the eggs? You take water, keep it on the very slow flame, put all your eggs in that, and put 3 to 4 green chilies slit and put it in that. Boil it for the first 2 minutes, slow, very slow flame. Once the water becomes warm, then increase the flame. So you best be assured your eggs will not break. Put little salt also. So you know, salt, water and green chilies. I told you the method. Now here, just around a teaspoon of pepper. I'll have to mix it. Okay, I'll mix it later on. I will show you how to prepare the filling of the chops. The filling of the eggs in the potato chops. Take 1 serving spoon of coconut oil. Once the oil becomes hot, put in finely chopped ginger, 1/2 inch ginger. For 6 eggs I'm talking about. Okay, these are 4 green chilies, a few green coriander and 2 small finely chopped onions. Okay, the oil has become hot, so fry the ginger for 15 seconds. Then you put in the green chilies. Fry it. Put the finely chopped onions and make it translucent. Put the finely chopped coriander. Stir it. Reduce the flame. Put this eggs. Okay, I'm going to put it up. I have put off the gas. Okay, let it get cold. Now, till the egg filling gets cool, I will mix this properly. If you notice, I have already put pepper. While boiling the potatoes, I put salt in the cooker. And 3 whistles, after 3 whistles in the cooker, I have reduced the flame and kept it for 10 minutes. So 3 whistles on high flame, simmer for 10 minutes and leave it to cool, and once the steam is gone, then you remove the potatoes and smash it. Now I'll put little more salt. Enough that is. Mix this properly. Now, because this potato smash should not stick to my hand, I will apply little ghee to my fingers. See. So it doesn't. Okay, this is clarified butter. Okay, it is called ghee. I will apply to my hands. Now I have to make the chops. So after mixing thoroughly the pepper and the salt, I will prepare small cups as big as the egg. Okay, half the egg. I'll show you how. Hand in the water to make the chops. Okay, make like this. Okay, and keep the filling in it. Okay, I've dipped my hand in the water, cooking water, to make a ball. See, this size. Okay, now I have to make a well. Now, along with the onions that I have fried, look, I'll put this egg. Cover it very gently. Dip your hand in the water. Do it very gently because the potato smash should cover the egg. See very carefully. You see? Fully. You know, you will get a knack to do. Now, if you have pickled rolong barik rava on the plate, to keep this because you should not get stuck. Now, while frying, I'll show you how to do it. Some people use breadcrumbs to keep it. Now, I'll do the rest. Dip your hands in the water, then along with the fried masala, you see, filling, cover this very gently. It has to stick. Dip your hand in the water very gently. Cover it, spread it. See, doesn't matter even if little of the egg is seen, it's not going to come out or break. Okay, make sure that you put it on the roll. Yeah, the rest I'll show you later. Okay, as you know, I always use cast iron skillet for frying my fish, chops or whatever it is. I'll put it on high flame. Let it get hot. Okay. I'll put sufficient oil.
No, the Tejaswini is not here.
To cover the pan. Fine. Let the oil get hot. It's on high. And I will reduce the flame a little to medium. I have put rolong and nicely, very delicately, because you know these potatoes are very soft. Roll it in the rolong on both sides like this. Okay? See how? And gently slide it in the skillet. Here, the second one. And just put sufficient number of them and don't overfill it because turning becomes a problem. If you have a bigger skillet, then it is fine. Let it fry nicely and put it on medium. Now be very careful while turning it, okay? made it medium flame throughout. Just turn it. Increasing the flame now because I am putting more coconut oil because it has to be fried well. Once that coconut oil gets warm, I will make it medium the flame. Okay, let it fry. Always keep changing the flame according to the heat. You can understand if you are a good cook. Let it. May I also tell you there is variation. You must have seen, no? One chop is bigger than the other. The reason is the egg is big. Okay, the other variation is you can make pieces of the egg and same method and fill in the pieces, okay, and make your chops. All the same, the taste will be the same, okay. You can use bread crumbs to apply on this before frying, just the way I use rolong or barik rava. There are many variations, okay. You can try all the variations, but the mix masala should be the same. Them once more because I want them to become crispy brown, and make sure that even the potatoes become well cooked inside. Actually they are boiled, but that crispy feeling should come on the top. It is done. See, it is moving so nicely. If you feel the top again has to be done, you can turn, no problem. See, but I feel it has been done. Okay, potato chops are always soft. Now take it out from the so from my other set is getting fried, and this is the first set of 3. You must have a lot of patience to fry, okay? It is potatoes, very soft and sticky. Lovely it has become. Hope you enjoyed the recipes that I have put on my daughter's channels. Please subscribe to her channel, and many more cooking recipes I will be putting. And please hit the bell icon and subscribe to her channel, okay, for many more updates. Thank you.